Hey guys, welcome to the Bdthemes widget tutorial. Today we'll be talking about the Fiestar Slider Widget by Prime Slider Addon. Let's drag and drop the widget inside the editor page. What you're seeing is the default interface presented by the widget. From the options, you can select up to 6 columns to display the slider. Increasing or decreasing columns will directly change the number of items your visitors will see on the display, of course, in split view. Then you have the item gap, item height, and vertical spacing scroll bars below. Then there's an alignment option for the text and an image size option to customize the image dimensions. Also, the title and category switchers will show or hide those elements based on turning them on or off. Next, from the query section, you can select the source of the displayed items as well as set a limit on the number of items to display. The include-exclude fields works as filters. For instance, let's select terms for the include field and then type a category name in the field below. Selecting the category will force the widget to display posts only belonging to the selected category. You might want to check that out. The rest of the options are sorting options and 2 switchers for sticky posts and hide posts that don't have featured images. The slider settings section mostly offers settings related to the slider animation like autoplay, loop, animation speed, etc. Now, let's switch to the Style tab. Here, from the first section, you can set an overlay color for the items. The overlay should be applied from the bottom towards the top but only be visible up to a certain point. You may ungroup the padding fields and start customizing the values to adjust the content position in a better view. There's also a box shadow option at the bottom. Box shadow is a nice feature to add 3D-like vibe to any items by using shadows. Then let's switch to the title section and customize the hover color for the title. Through typography, you can customize the font for the title. For that, you may change the font family, size, weight, and lots more. Just check how that looks and then adjust how you prefer it. Then let's jump into the category section. There are a lot more options here and you'll find similar faces a lot actually. After the spacing scroll bar, these options are broken into normal and hover modes. For normal mode, let's change the text color to white. Then select a border type and determine the border width. Selecting white color for the border also, but with reduced opacity. Then apply a minimum border radius to curve the edges just a bit. Then ungroup the padding field and add values manually. Padding will expand the area around the content while pushing the border outside. Then switch to the hover mode. Change the text color to white while making the background orange. You may also choose the same hover color for the border. Let's check how it looks now. Good enough. Now go for the typography option to customize the font settings. Lastly, for navigation, let's select the same orange color for the arrowheads in the normal mode and reverse the color order in hover mode. Now, let's minimize the controls and you're left with a fresh slider design crafted with the Fiestar Slider Widget. That's all about it. Hope this video helped. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel to get updates on new tutorial videos. Until then, stay safe and see you next time.